cookies for my lunch. Grab a handful, eat a bunch. I'm lucky having fun chewing animals one by one. In my bowl of soup I see.
Sparky, have you eaten all of your lunch?
Yes, Mother dear. See? I'm all done.
Why, look at this. You haven't even touched your spinach. Open your mouth wide. Oh, do I have to? Now you stop that nonsense and eat your spinach, or you'll have to go to your room. Mom, but I don't like spinach. I always have to eat stuff that I don't like, and that's not fair.
Say, young fella, if you'll be a good boy and finish your spinach, me and my animal cracker pals will put on a real show for you.
A real circus? With lions and tigers and elephants and kangaroos and cows and giraffes and...
Everything.
Starting, it's only a dime, 10 cents. Right over here, step this way. See that wiggling, jiggling, dancing doll Fatima. That wonder of wonders, Boopna. Bonita, the snake girl. All ready, folks, all ready. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the world's greatest, most daring, bareback riders of all time, the Flying Pomoni. Single-handed battle with the most ferocious beast of the jungle.